All right, and on the last example, a basketball team has 11 players. How many ways can the coach choose 5 starting players? This is a combination. Order does not matter. We're not picking a specific position. We're not picking a certain person for a center or for a guard or for a forward. We're just choosing 5 starting players. So this would be a combination. Yes, you can use the formula for a combination: n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. But we're just going to go through and look at it on Desmos. I'm going to go to functions, go all the way down to where I see NCR. I have 11 players. And out of those 11 players, I am choosing 5. So the answer is going to be 462 different ways that this coach can choose 5 starting players. In the top right-hand corner, we see someone who is swimming. Swimming may have something to do with your attendance quiz for today. So in a permutation and combination, permutation matters. Combination order does not matter. In a permutation, order does matter.